Hey everybody, welcome back to the How to Learn Python video tutorial series. Today we're going to be talking about logical operators. So logical operators are just operations you can do in Python on Boolean data types. So if you remember from a previous video, Boolean data types are either true or false. These are two opposite expressions. True is opposite of false, false is opposite of true, and these generally equate to a 0 or a 1 in the computer's memory. So to create a Boolean variable, you just create your variable name. We'll call this trueVar and set it equal to your Boolean expression. So if we want this to be true, we type in true with a capital T. We can create a false variable and set that to false with a capital F. So now that we have our Boolean variables created, we can run through our logical operations. So our first operation we're going to run through is the not operation. The not operation just returns the opposite of whatever Boolean expression you give it. So if we do not true var, that's saying not true or false. If we do not false var, it's saying not false or true. So it returned the opposite of the value we passed in. The next operation we're going to look at is the AND operation. So the AND operation takes in two Boolean values. If both Boolean values are true, it will return true. If any of the Boolean values are false, it will return false. So we can see that by typing in false var and false var. So that's false and false, which returns false. True var and false var. So that's true and false, which also returns false. However, if we do true ANDed with true, that will return true. So you need two true statements. You need them both to be true for the return value to be true. That's a little different from the OR statement, which we'll talk about next, which produces true if either of the values are true. So if both the values are true, or if one of the two values are true, it will return a true statement. However, if both values are false, the OR statement will return false. So we can see that by doing true ORed with true, which returns true, true ORed with false, which also returns true. However, false ORed with false will produce false because neither of those are true values. Finally, the last logical operation we're going to talk about is the exclusive OR. So the exclusive OR works very similarly to the OR statement. However, if both statements are true, if both Boolean values passed into the exclusive OR are true, this statement will return false. So it's exclusive. It needs only one of the statements to be true, one and only one. So we can start typing these values in. So to do the exclusive OR, you do the little caret sign. So if we do true exclusive OR with true, we get that false value that I talked about before. Now if we do true exclusive OR with false, here's where we'll get our true value. And then again, if we do false exclusive OR with false, we will again get false. So like I mentioned, you need one and only one of those two Boolean values to be true for the exclusive OR to return true. All right, guys, if you have any comments, please write them down in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys learned something. Peace.